What up, people? Just wanted to show you that I got the 6th panel up. So now we have 6 panels, and each panel is 440 watts. So we are at 2640 on the wattage on the roof. Sorry about the noise. So that's what we got. So what I did is, right here I have a vent in my bathroom and a skylight. So I made these brackets that go all the way across, and those brackets hold 2 panels each. So now I got 2 panels here, and I had to go up higher. And then I got 2 panels here, and I got 1 panel in the front and 1 in the back. So it gives me my 6. And I've added a couple batteries. Let me show you inside. So